ate it. Some. For the 100. I played that in a. Okay, starting. I think. Chatters. Now we have a job. Sorry. Okay. I can do a very good burp. What should we sing? But there's a lot of older games that. Into the light. I do not. Bro. Thank you. He runs. Yeah. Woohoo! If I was there, because I literally just every frame of the sponge. Eat it, chap. Ooh, reading. Hi, Derber. Okay.
Seven in the morning. We're just doing.
Next, we'll be saying the.
Oh, that was.
I feel she's actually. I love you guys and. Press 1 if you threw up. Dominant! I thought. Okay, chat, let's count. Thank you for the.
Wet.
We don't need a song. Oh, that was. I'll definitely. I'm about to sing.
Went to Hot Pot.
And wet.
Constipation says hi. What's wrong, Stuart? What are we talking about? That I had to shampoo my hair. Guess what? Okay, I want. I guess. And like, oh, imagine. I just threw up. Hey, Snow Cone.
Eat it, chat. Eat up. Eat up. It's the second best thing to factor. My burps. Gamer girl burps. It's kosher.